Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the automatic feeder for your pets in Heartopia and what you can do if it doesn't work. So you have to be level 5 of cat caring and dog caring. I'm only on the cat caring one. So go to the pet store here and you are going to purchase the automatic cat feeder. It costs 30 wishing stars. So I'm just going to purchase that and I'm going to place it in my house. Where's the bus stop? Oh, I'm just going to go back to my house. All right, now I'm back at my house. I'm just going to take my automatic cat feeder out. I'm just going to place it here. Then I'm just going to fill it with food. Okay, so basically, the automatic feeder is for when we're not in the game or when we're doing something else, and if the pet is hungry, they can then eat from the automatic feeder. And they won't eat like until their hunger is full. They'll eat like little by little. At least that's what I've heard. Also, I've also heard that it's a bug that like pets won't eat from the automatic feeder, but I think it's just like cats don't eat a lot anyways, like they don't eat as much as the dogs do. But yeah, that is how you can get the automatic cat feeder and how you can use it and stuff like that. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.